Welcome, my name is Martin, and in this course I want to show you how to draw and render cartoon characters. This is a complete beginner's introduction to cartoon illustration. I assume you know next to nothing regarding how to draw or how to use any digital illustration software. My goal is that by the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge to sketch and illustrate stuff at the level of something like what you're seeing on a screen right now. This course will be basically divided into two parts. The first part will build from zero how to draw and design cartoon characters, and the second part will deal with the rendering of your sketches. That is, using a digital illustration software to make the final line art, color, and light and shadow. But don't worry, you won't need a tablet. We're gonna be doing the finishing using Inkscape, the free open source vector illustration software. And that means that all you need is an everyday keyboard and mouse. That's how you illustrate using vector software. So here is how the course is gonna go at large. On the first unit, we are gonna start learning how to draw and design the cartoon head. I believe the head is complex enough that it deserves its own unit, so we'll learn about the techniques to help us with the design and the important difference between working with cartoons versus real-life heads. By the end of this unit, if you make all the exercises I'm gonna give you, you should be able to come up knowing how to draw attractive full heads. The second unit is gonna be about the rest of the body. We'll learn about the mannequin, how to put it in movement, and how to dress them up. From this unit you should be able to come up knowing how to sketch full rough cartoon characters. Then we'll move on to the sketching unit. Here I'll sketch up to 5 cartoon characters using the different techniques we've seen up to this point. I expect you to sketch at least 5 of your own characters, rather than copying what I'm doing. Then we'll move on to the Inkscape unit. Here I'm gonna go fairly in-depth into how to use Inkscape and the specific techniques and tools related to rendering sketches. I want you to come up out of this unit having a firm understanding of Inkscape and how to work using vectors, as well as the basic techniques used for rendering sketches. The final unit is all about taking those sketches to Inkscape and render them, finishing them up with the tools of the program. Here you'll learn everything you need to make your sketches beautiful and finished. After the end of almost every lesson, I put a list of exercises you should make to really sink the topic in. You are free to move on without doing them, but I strongly recommend you to try them out. Before ending this lesson, I want to let you know that I strongly encourage you to contact me if you have any doubts or questions about the course. You can contact me by email, but if you can, please use the course page. This way all the other students can see the questions and answers. Well, I think that's all you have to know about the course to begin. So grab a pencil and paper and get ready to start. I promise you, it's gonna be lots of fun.